Roman.
Okay,
Sit in this
so we're gonna do
chair
this video
over
on
here.
turn-offs because
Why you
boys, girls, if you're watching this, you better pay attention because you need it.
Up.
Girls too. Boys. Okay. Girls too. I can name a few, but I won't tag you.
Okay. The first one.
I'm Dorothy, by the way.
I need you to spy.
The first one is ashiness.
Like a
I know.
I've never actually.
I know sometimes.
Only sometimes. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
You guys have one, but I know you two have some sort of female in your life that can supply you with lotion. So please don't be ashy. Always, and even if there is no female, because I meant it, girls do.
I'm getting one.
If there is no female, you can go to the dollar store.
Sir, can I get part three?
CVS. Walmart has some good lotion, and it's cheap too. So second and third one, yellow teeth and bad breath. If I can take the 2 to 3 minutes it takes to brush my teeth, you can do the same because I'm not trying to wake up in the morning. Not even. I'm not trying to come to school. I'll be like, hey, you're kind of cute. And then when I say hi to you,
You'll be like,
your breath is like choking me. Like I don't know what's happening.
I mean, get a piece of gum at least. Like, really?
Please, I'll supply you with gum. I always have mints. Just ask me. And if you're in California or whatever, I'll send you some. I don't care. You need it.
I'm shitting.
Okay,
I'm shitting.
Class.
You have no. Come on, if you look at mine, okay, that's great for you. But if I can't look at yours, then that's just sad, man.
And like honestly, even if you have no ass, sag your pants a little. I don't care. Don't pull it all the way up so that people can see the
credit card in your freaking.
It's not even right. Like it's so straight.
Okay,
there is no
number five. If you're cute, that's good for you. If you're cute and your teeth are throwing gang signs, you can go die. Because that's unattractive.
Go die because
You can. Okay, so if you're cute and your teeth are throwing gang signs, just smile. Just smile with your mouth closed.
Just smile with your mouth closed.
Smile with your mouth closed.
Exhibit A, Sandy.
Oh my God.
Cripple boy gang. Cripple boy over here. Anthony Cruz. Can you open it? Because you just Michael. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, just killed it.
I love you, Facebook.
Like that just killed it.
Sit in your chair.
Be all day till I die.
Sit in your chair.
Okay, number 6, big heads. Like Anthony and Michael.
It works if you're Jimmy Neutron, but if you're not Jimmy Neutron, please go somewhere.
7, sticky hands. It's unattractive. If I'm like when I walk around the hallway, I hit a lot of people on purpose. Some on purpose, some by accident. So
no, they're all on purpose.
Dry hands. You just need dry hands.
So if I happen to hit your hands and they're sticky and I smell it and it smells like something I don't want to be smelling, something that seems suspicious, then
and something else, like don't come out of nowhere and come like I see your face with your sticky hands. Disgusting. It's
I'll
not
punch
right.
your throat. I'll punch your throat. Number 8 is pants below your waist.
Like I know I told guys with no ass to do this, but guys like some just take it overboard. Like pants are for your waist, not on your knees.
No offense, you're my best. You're a really good friend to me. Well, I don't really care, but
Walter,
we're acquaintances. So you can pull your freaking pants up. I'm sick of walking around and seeing your freaking blue underwear, blue hands.
Why is it always the same thing?
You're not my friend, so I'll be harsh. You're not my friend, so I'll be harsh.
Whenever I have
You need to pull your pants up. I don't need to be mooned by you. There's nothing to see.
No, but whenever I notice it, it's always blue Hanes underwear. I don't know.
So you need to change those two.
Or
and get
red,
some new
or
ones 'cause
red.
they're getting too tight.
Or red.
You need to change them too because they're
You need to
getting
get some Fruit of the Loom underwear. I
They're
think
getting
it's
too tight.
comfortable. But 9. Can't take a joke. I'm a jokester. I make jokes. I take jokes.
I'll be mean.
If you can't take a joke,
but you need to take it and talk. God.
What happened?
Take a joke.
Oh.
You need to know how to take a joke.
Yeah.
I'll be a complete bitch, but you need to.
Number 10.
No swag, no class.
No swag, no class. Hey, how are you not gonna have freaking swag? How do you expect someone to like if you have no swag or no class?
I mean,
like,
it's all about the insides, but the way you present yourself makes you attractive too. So,
And at least if you find class, then you'll have automatic swag.
I mean, if you're like if you can't afford it, then that's a different story. But like,
but so you can look
Personality,
yeah.
personality too.
you right? Last time you saw me doing that.
Personality too. Next.
get away.
Next, you pay for everything.
Why you remember?
Stop! Stop! Please stop! What is wrong with you? Just stop. Okay, go.
You did.
I don't know how to cut this out, so I'm sorry.
Next time we'll be quieter.
Boys will make you pay for everything.
Oh my gosh.
At least half and half.
Like, who's a man? You're supposed to provide. And then
Just
Girls, you gotta pay for everything because until I get a job, I ain't paying.
Turn off. Okay, it's number 12. Hockey.
oh my gosh,
That's
if you're
gotta
cocky,
go.
just
That's gotta go.
go over there, please.
Just die.
Gotta go. Cockiness gotta go. 13. No. Not even bad breath
You smell
anymore.
bad?
This is
Go die.
all over your body.
everywhere. Girls, fish. I don't like fish.
Even girls too.
I don't like girls too. I don't like
It's
fish.
not that hard to bring perfume in your bag. It's not even. Some of them are like this big. Some of them are like this big. And most of you who go to socks, there is nothing in your backpacks you could afford.
You can afford some lotion, perfume, breath mint. Okay. Number 14. Scrawny arms and legs. Nelson, this goes to you one more time. Okay.
I would tell you one time.
Okay, that's a different video.
Okay.
Scrawny arms and legs. At least have something.
If I'm
have
stronger
fat.
than you,
Have fat. I don't
then
care.
that's really sad. Like, if I'm stronger than you, even if you're fat, like,
Or at least have fat. Don't completely skinny. Like Mr. Dowdy's fat, okay, but Mr. Bennett, perfect arms.
this is study.
You know. Stop. That's not legal. Stop it. That's not legal to take a person without them permission.
I'm really mad now.
I don't like it.
Okay. Seriously, shy guys.
If you shy, go die.
Like, shy is cute at times, but when you're so shy that you can't even say hi to
You can't
me.
even talk to me, like,
Okay, but
how am I gonna go out
Especially in
with
public
you like
places, you make me look dumb. Don't do that.
exactly. But don't be too shy. But don't be too forceful.
that? For girls
either.
too.
Don't be completely forceful either.
If he doesn't like me back, well, YOLO, walk up to him and be like, yeah, I think you're pretty cute, and move on. If he doesn't like you, you move on.
All right, but don't be too forceful either, cause that's just that's stupid.
If you force,
Let's skip
you
19.
don't force yourself on me, okay?
Okay.
Let's not do 19.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like cripples.
That's rude.
I'm
Cripples.
sorry.
Rude.
I'm sorry.
Cripples.
That's
If you're
rude.
crippled, it's a
That's
turn off.
rude. That's
No,
rude.
we wrote it down. I remember wrote it down.
I
Caleb
didn't.
Olmedo. Yeah, she wrote it for him. Yeah.
No, I did not.
Josh!
If you don't like him, stop talking about him.
Michael, bye.
Xavier, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put it in
They
there.
wrote it. I'm just saying.
I did not write it. I promise. I would. If I wrote that, I would tell you to your face, bro. We're friends.
I told you, so it's okay. I told you. Okay, guys who can't say no to hoes.
And stupid bros.
Nate
Stewart, mate, you're the number one word.
Yes. You need to know how to say no and walk
Jesus.
away.
All
Caleb.
you people.
Caleb. And Momo.
And Momo.
No, Caleb, he's crippled, so he can't do nothing right now. But if he wasn't crippled, you would see him with all the rest of those people.
Shush. Come on. YouTube, the world will see this. I don't want to do something too serious. Okay, who curse like sailors? Like, it's alright. It's alright.
It's not
to
alright.
curse.
No,
I
it's
mean,
not.
it's
It's
alright
in
to
every
curse
sentence.
sometimes. It's alright to curse sometimes, but don't go like.
If it's in every freaking sentence, like, come on, really?
No. Okay, guys who don't understand no.
I mean, don't force me to do anything. If I say no, then no. Just keep it like that. It makes us think that you want something else.
No means no.
Yeah. Okay, what else? Okay, unattractive but picky. John Artie. Okay. I'm not trying to say anything.
God.
I'm not trying to say anything. I'm not trying to say anything. I'm not trying to say anything.
My comments. I'm done.
Alright, yeah, I'm done.
Bye.
I'm sorry.